Hello, this is my post for today. I had a training session earlier today talking about mortgage protection. And so what I wanted to really talk about was how it can help your family when you have a time that you're struggling with or have when you're dealing with loss, because that's the biggest thing for the reason why we even have insurance in the first place is because it is in the event of something happening. So people, first of all, mortgage protection is one of the products that I offer. And people purchase mortgage protection specifically for their home, because they recently took out a mortgage on their home or refinance or whatever, and they owe X amount of dollars, and it's in the event of if they die. That's how most people look at it, as if they die. However, I have some products that offer living benefits. And yes, I post about living benefits all the time, but you don't really, a lot of people probably don't understand what living benefits, what that means. And so that's what this video is for. So with that being said, living benefits are anytime you may have a critical illness, a chronic illness, or a terminal illness. And so that means that for terminal, if the doctor told you have 12 to 24 months to live, you can, if you have this product that I have, you can initiate a claim and get access to the benefits prior to passing. And so that's the same way with critical and chronic. So when you're talking about critical and chronic illness, that has to do with if you're dealing with like cancer. In my family, kidney failure is very big. So if you're dealing with somebody that needs organ transplant, if heart attack, stroke, just those are common things that people deal with every day. So that's what I'm talking about when I say living benefits. It has to do with if you're dealing with those type of issues, or somebody that's dealing with those issues, you may want to look at getting something that offers living benefits. Okay, so as I was talking back about the mortgage protection, with the mortgage protection, let's say you get a house that your mortgage is $200,000. So if you get insurance that is worth 200, the face value is $200,000, and you get diagnosed after 2 years of paying on this insurance, then you have the opportunity to initiate a claim and get access, accelerate your death benefits, which will be the living benefits piece. Now, another good thing about the products that I have, they offer what is called 100% return of premium. So let's say you paid in $100 and the policy was the policy was in force for 30 years. So if you paid $100 times times 12, because it's 12 months in a year, so that would be $1,200 times 30 would be $36,000 that the company would write you a check for it. So it's not like you're saying, oh, well, I'm paying on this and I'm not getting anything back. That's not the case. I have products that are going to give you 100% return of premium. And it has to do with mortgage protection. The good thing about these is, I mean, and we don't really talk a lot about it, but you can also get access to these products without actually having a mortgage. So get at me, call me, text me, inbox me, whatever. My number is 501-773-8929. You need to protect your family. You need to protect your mortgage, because yes, you go and purchase a mortgage, and at the closing table, I'm a notary public, so I've done loan signings, and people take out loans on their policies. I mean, I'm sorry, you take a loan out on their home, on your home, and you get what is called a mortgage insurance, which that's through your PNC, your property and casualty, like State Farm or Progressive or somebody. But then you can also get something where it's called PMI, which is a private mortgage insurance, and that is offered that's mandatory. You have to get it when you purchase a house. However, mortgage protection is not something that is offered. They don't even tell you about it. You don't know anything about it unless somebody like myself, who is a licensed life and health insurance agent, tell you about it. So you absolutely need, so don't say, oh, well, I got it through when I signed my paper, when I bought my house, when I got the loan on my house. No, baby. That's to protect the bank. That policy that you got is to protect the bank. It's not to protect you. If you lose your job and you're no longer able to make your mortgage payments, the bank is going to foreclose on you because of that PMI, because you paid into it. So they have the right. And what they're going to do is hire an agent. They're going to hire a realtor with the funds that you paid. Yeah. Alrighty. So again, let's get you some mortgage protection. Let's protect the house that you worked so hard for, because we're in a generation now. We want to build generational wealth. We want to leave something to our children, and the best way to do that is get you some mortgage protection. If anything happens, honey, the house is paid for. Your children have a place to live, even if you're not here anymore. Okay. And then so yeah, call me, because I do have some options for you. I don't want to go deep into it. I done already spent 8 minutes. All right. Bye.